So the first style I made was this, and when I got bored, I took out the extensions at the back, laid down the front, and this is how I carried my hair. After I got bored again, I took down the cornrows at the back and made a high puff because I wasn't going to let this entire hairstyle go without restyling and restyling, and I was also trying to get out of washing my hair because I didn't have time. Anyway, I ask you to forgive me for the unclear clips because there was no light, but I just really want to share my natural hair journey with you, so I hope that you can somehow see something. So yeah, this is me making a high puff, and when it was high enough for me, I then made a knot with my shoelace and my hair looks full enough. So for the front, I spritzed some water mix at the front because I already had gel there, so I just had to renew it. I applied some Eco Styler gel there, brushed it to lay it down and followed with my fingers. I also put some edge control, and then I went in with my sheen spray to get rid of any white cast and add some shine, and to make the hairstyle look like I tried a little bit. Then I put a scarf over it so that the gel would lay overnight. For the remaining part of the hair, I wanted to leave it though, but I was like, let me try applying some mousse and twisting it up. And I tried to do like 3 chunky flat twists so that it would kind of give me some curls in the morning. I wouldn't say you should do this. It really wasted my time and I didn't get what I was looking for because my hair was still damp the next morning. Or if you have a dryer or some flexi rods or some palm rods, you can try to use them to get your curls because mine were not popping. But you won't know whether to try it unless you try it, right? Yeah, so these are the flat twists I ended up with. The next morning, I took them out and this is how my hair looks. I actually rocked this for 2 to 3 more days, and yeah, tell me if you guys think this hairstyle looked pretty in the end. Remember to give me a thumbs up and check out any of my previous videos. Hopefully you can learn something, and remember to subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.